Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we'll be talking about how to properly fertilize zucchini to extend the harvest and enjoy healthy, delicious fruits throughout the season. If you haven't already, make sure to subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out on all the tips and tricks for a successful garden. Zucchini are known for their abundant harvest, but to keep this production at a high level, proper fertilization is essential. Once the zucchini start bearing fruit, the soil can quickly lose the nutrients necessary for the continued growth and development of the plants. That's why it's important to fertilize them regularly, to ensure the plants have everything they need to keep producing. Proper fertilization not only extends the harvest season, but also improves the quality and taste of the zucchini. If you notice that growth is slowing down or the plants are producing fewer fruits, it's a sign that they need additional nutrition. By using natural fertilizers, you can help your zucchini continue to produce without the use of chemicals that may be harmful to you and the environment. To extend the zucchini harvest, I recommend a simple yet highly effective recipe for a natural fertilizer: 1 liter of lukewarm water, 1 teaspoon of yeast dry, 1 tablespoon of sugar. Mix all the ingredients well and let the mixture sit in a warm place for 2 hours. After that, water the zucchini with this mixture once every 2 weeks, preferably in the morning or evening. This fertilizer will provide the plants with the necessary nutrients and extend your harvest season. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, share it on social media so others can extend their zucchini harvest as well. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.